Hello guys, in this quick video I will show you how to fix an error when running Maven in Eclipse IDE. The error message is no compiler is provided in this environment. I have a Java project here in Eclipse IDE and let me show you the error with Maven. When I want to run the Maven build for this project, for example, I want to run the Maven clean with the Maven go clean the build success. As you can see, no problem at all. But now I want to run the Maven build with the go compile to compile the Java code with Maven and click run. And you can see this time I got an error build failure. No compiler is provided in this environment. Perhaps you are running on a JRE rather than JDK. This error means that Maven requires JDK Java Development Kit to compile the code. So in Eclipse, to fix this error, you need to edit the run configuration, run as, and run configurations here. And for the configuration for paper and test, you will compile in the JRE tab here. You can see by default it is using JRE instead of JDK, so you need to choose JDK. If you don't see JDK, you can click environments button here, install JREs and add standard VM and choose the home directory of JDK. On my computer I have JDK 1.8.0 here. Select folder, finish, and choose JDK by default for the workspace. Click apply and close. And now you can see the workspace default JRE is updated to use JDK, JRE in JDK. The goal is compile and click run. And you can see this time the no compiler error has gone and Maven has built the project successfully. As you can see here, build success. So that's how to fix the error. No compiler is provided in this environment when running a Maven compiler go in Eclipse IDE. To fix the problem, remember to use JDK instead of JRE for Maven. You can configure JDK here. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.